Here we are with this 2018 7 Series. The purpose of today's visit was a tire pressure malfunction light. Here we are in the vehicle. As you can see, that tire pressure malfunction light is on down there. We do have a message on the dash stating tire pressure malfunction. We are going to be using the Topdon ONE. We'll go ahead and get our VCI hooked up here. Here we are with our Topdon ONE. We are going to go ahead and diagnose this vehicle. As you can see from our battery voltage down here, we do have a power supply hooked up to this vehicle, which is required anytime that you're doing diagnosis or extended key-on sessions. Let's select our BMW software. Now that our fault scan's done, we're going to go ahead and check our report. You see here in our DSC module, we do have RDCI faults stored for the left front, right rear, and no reception for the front right. We'll go ahead and save that report. We are going to carry out testing on those tire pressure sensors. As you can see here, we carried out testing on those sensors. The driver's front showing low battery, passenger front not reading, passenger rear showing low battery. We are going to provide the customer with the estimate to replace all 4 sensors with factory sensors. The customer did decide to replace all 4 sensors. There's that part number. We will pick this back up once the sensors are replaced, and we'll go over how to relearn the system with the Topdon ONE. Here we are replacing those tire sensors. As you can see, the one that came out of the left rear here is an aftermarket. This is the OEM sensor that we're going to be installing. We'll go ahead and get the rest of these replaced, and then we'll pick it back up in a second. We do have those 4 tire pressure sensors replaced. We set the tires to spec, and we went ahead and put the wheels back on the vehicle. We're going to go into our DSC unit now. As you can see, these faults were present on the last cycle. They shouldn't be present anymore. We are going to go ahead and clear out those faults. Go ahead and read our faults again. All right, there's no trouble codes. Let's see, we're going to reset our tire sensors using the Topdon ONE. We're going to have to back out here, out of the system scan. We're going to go to hot function. TPMS reset. Then we go ahead and initialize the system. And there we go. After a short test drive now, that light will be off in the vehicle and the tire pressures will display on the dash. There we go. That's how to diagnose BMW tire pressure malfunction. Testing carried out with the Topdon ONE, and then reinitialize the system. Thank you.